सो एक बार मुझे प्लीज क्लियर कर दीजिए, मेरी आवाज क्लियरली आ रही है ना आप लोगों को? चाहे मैसेजेस ही कर दीजिए।
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
Sir, your voice is clear but not louder, sir.
ओह ओके ओके, इज इट फाइन नाउ? अब आ रही है अच्छे से?
Yes, sir.
अभी ठीक है।
सो मैं आपको अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे ले जाता हूँ। ये कैनवा प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये प्रीमियम वर्जन है कैनवा का, जो आप सब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अवेलेबल है। आपको बस क्या करना है, गिटहब स्टूडेंट पैक में जाना है। ये मैं जैसे टाइप कर रहा हूँ, आप इस पे टाइप कर दीजिए और गिटहब स्टूडेंट पैकेज में जाके आपको ये पैक मिल जाएगा। आपको बस यहाँ पे या तो आप पहले साइन इन कर लीजिए, क्योंकि वो बेटर रहता है। लेकिन आपको मैं उससे पहले ये दिखा देता हूँ कि पैक में क्या क्या चीज़ें होंगी। आपको 12 मंथ्स के लिए फ्री कैनवा सब्सक्रिप्शन दी जाएगी प्रो टियर की। फिर उसके बाद आपको डोमेन्स भी दिए जाएंगे जहाँ पे आप अपनी वेबसाइट्स अपलोड कर सकते हो। आपको ट्रेनिंग के लिए क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी दिए जाएंगे, AWS, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज्योर। वहाँ पे आप डिप्लॉयमेंट या कोई भी ऑपरेशन करना हो वो कर सकते हो। बूटस्ट्रैप स्टूडियो पे आप पूरी वेबसाइट डिजाइन कर सकते हो फ्रंट एंड की। सब फ्री है, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सब कुछ फ्री है, और इनफैक्ट टीचर्स के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा ऑफर होगा, क्योंकि टीचर्स के लिए भी एक ऑप्शन है इसमें। उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग लेनी हो Node.js में, जावास्क्रिप्ट में, फ्रंट एंड इंजीनियरिंग में, तो फ्रंट एंड मास्टर्स हैं। मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट फ्रंट एंड मास्टर्स और रूबी ऑन रेल्स है, क्योंकि रूबी आजकल काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन डिमांड है क्लाउड नेटवर्क्स पे। और उसके बाद आप अपने कॉलेज में गिटहब के एक्सपर्ट भी बन सकते हो, कैंपस एक्सपर्ट। इसके लिए आपको अप्लाई करना होगा। यहाँ पे आप अप्लाई करेंगे और उसके बाद आपको एक फॉर्म भरना होगा। उसके बाद ये लोग अपने हिसाब से ही आपको उस कॉलेज का हेड बना सकते हैं। उसके बाद आपको पेमेंट्स भी आएंगी। IRSC GT भी आएगी। सोसाइटी भी आप खोलेंगे तो भी आपको पेमेंट्स आएंगी, जो मैनेजर्स होंगे सोसाइटी के और जो साथ में काम कर रहे होंगे। उसके बाद हमारे पास एक next.tech करके सॉफ्टवेयर बिल्डिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है। ऐसे बहुत सारे हमारे पास UI UX के भी हैं इसी के अंदर। और आपकी इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन से, मतलब आपकी स्टार्टिंग से लेकर एंड तक इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन भी आपकी इसी पे ही हो जाएगी। इंटरव्यू केक है उसका नाम। एडिटर आपके लिए रेपल IT होगा। तो ये बहुत सारे ऑफर्स आपको लेकर देगी गिटहब, और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जब तक आप स्टूडेंट हो। कुछ ऐसे ऑफर्स हैं जो अनलिमिटेड भी हैं, सो आप इनको अवेल करिएगा बस यहाँ पे क्लिक करके गेट योर पैक। आप अगर टीचर हैं तो टीचर के थ्रू बेनिफिट्स ले सकते हैं, टीचर के और एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स हैं। और स्टूडेंट्स के थोड़े कम बेनिफिट्स हैं उस रिगार्ड में, लेकिन टीचर्स के लिए ज़रूरी, क्योंकि वो पढ़ाएंगे भी, तो गिटहब क्लासरूम भी प्रॉपर दिया जाएगा उन लोगों को। सो करेंटली यहाँ पे आपको जाना है, ये फॉर्म खुल जाएगा आपके पास। रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी आपकी ये होगी गिटहब की। आपको अपने कॉलेज का नाम देना है, और कॉलेज के नाम देने के बाद आप कैसे उसको यूज़ करेंगे वो भी आपको स्पेसिफाई करना है। जैसे कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे अपना मेंशन कर देता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे जनरली कॉलेजेस के नाम आ जाते हैं, बट अगर बाई चांस किसी भी कॉलेज का नाम नहीं आता है तो कोई इश्यूज़ नहीं है। आप सिंपली क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे नाम लिख के एंटर कर दीजिएगा, वो अपने आप इसको सेव कर लेंगे। तो जब आप कंटिन्यू पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आप स्टूडेंट आइडेंटिटी कार्ड पे क्लिक करें। अगर आपके पास कोई और प्रूफ है तो वो भी चलेगा, बट यूनिवर्सिटी में आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि कब तक ये वैलिड है। ऐसी कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको फोटो के फॉर्म में इनको अपलोड करके देनी है। तो आप यहाँ पे टेक अ पिक्चर कर सकते हैं या अपलोड कर सकते हैं, और ट्राई करिएगा कि कोलाज में अपलोड करिए, ताकि आपके पास फ्रंट और बैक दोनों की चीज़ें आ जाए। इसके बाद हम उस पे आते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे। ये तो आपका गिटहब पैक आपको अवेल हो जाएगा। अराउंड 7 डेज लगते हैं मैक्स टू मैक्स। अभी वर्किंग आवर्स को देखते हैं तो 7 डेज ही लगेंगे। इसके बाद हम सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस अब करेंगे कि जब आप ये अवेल कर लेंगे ऑफर, तो आपके पास क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होंगी। तो सबसे पहले कोई अपनी ईमेल आईडी देना चाहेगा मुझे, जस्ट एन ईमेल आईडी। मैं आपको इस टीम में इंक्लूड कर लेता हूँ ताकि आप भी थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लोर कर सके इस कैनवा को। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं एक बार आपको कोई सर्टिफिकेट दिखा देता हूँ या कोई पोस्टर बनाना दिखा देता हूँ, दैट विल बी बेटर। क्या सीखना है, मतलब बताइए आप, मतलब क्या देखना चाहते हैं इसमें। आपको सारे ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे दिख जाएंगे, सारी चीज़ें A to Z यहाँ से लेकर।
Sir, sorry for interruption, but let me tell you a thing. People are joining from all over the India, so
Okay.
I think some may not be comfortable in English, Hindi. So
Okay.
can you
So I'll
please
speak in
continue in English also?
no issues, no issues. I'll be speaking English from now. I would like to know what you all want to learn in this case. Like there are a lot of things like presentation, documentations, infographics, logo, resume, whatever you want to make, you can come over here. But currently, what do you want to make?
We
Poster?
are interested in learning what graphic designing is and how we can make the graphic look better.
Okay, got it. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say that graphics is merely a spread of information in form of photos, pictures, animations. That's better because animations are nowadays a major role playing in terms of anything. So I would like to briefly introduce about myself. Currently, I've been working with companies, and IRC GTBIT itself has been working for long duration. We have provided internships to many students, and that too all of for free of cost. So we have been working around nearly for 6 to 8 months, and we have shown a progress of nearly 50%, I guess, up till now. And this is all about what I can say about the society and its contribution in graphic designing. So, like, if you want to learn from the basics itself, this platform provides you everything regarding the graphic designing. It has all the courses available. It's all free of cost. You can just go ahead and see anywhere you want to. In this case, you can design with Canva. You can get started with it. You can complete the courses. You can even get certified designing development person as a Canva certified person, and you can work over a lot of things. Then they will be also providing you events like daily events and all. You can go there and also see what all events are happening and how they're doing their work over it. There are also competitions in it, so you can compete with other designers real time. Meanwhile, I would like to tell you that graphic designing is a very major thing coming up because graphic designing is coming over in a lot of things, right? Like news channels, political campaigns, even in many other big companies, they require the logo makers, they require animation in their companies, advertisements. This all comes under graphic designing. What our course consists of, it's not merely just designing, static design. It also includes animation, it also includes augmented reality, so you can understand in-depth graphic designing. You can in fact code, or you can even directly do these types of things. So I would like to take you over templates first of all, so that one can easily understand what all things are available. So there are a lot of things available. Okay, so once I click on more, you will be able to find that there are a lot of things you can make from it. I would suggest that we should start with certificate if you want, certificate or poster, anything if you want. I can start with that only.
Sir, the poster will be okay.
Posters, okay. I'll start with posters then. So this is a really nice website because if you're going on Photoshop or something like this, it will take a lot of time for you. So if you want to make posters, you can just go ahead and click on it and type posters in it. Once you click posters in it, you will be able to find a lot of different type of posters. There are a lot of posters in this, so it means that we need to be specific with all the posters. If I take a default poster, like just a normal poster, we can go ahead and choose any custom made, like we can choose any default poster over here. And if you want normal customized poster, you can just go ahead and click on it. I would rather suggest we should be looking forward to a college based poster. So if I type college poster, since we are addressing to college, so it should be like a college poster. And see, so there are a lot of college posters available over here. You can go ahead and click on anything you want. I would rather go on an event specific college poster. What can it be? Okay, let's take this one. You can use this template, and in fact, you can manufacture it, right? Like you can order this thing in hard format if you want to just select this one. Uh, so what we'll be doing is that we'll be just straight away editing it. It's very simple. You can go ahead and click on anything you want, write in the name of the college. Uh, you can expand this. This is a text box over here, and accordingly you can change anything you want. You see BANKA, right? Admission, rollout. So this is just a platform where you are editing, right? So you can also visit other things. Like over here, there are a lot of options. So the options that are included are like the text, which type of text you want. You can just go ahead and click on it. This will be changed. The selected box that you have selected will be changed accordingly. Then we have elements. Elements is the major thing over in Canva. So if you want anything in 3D animated form, you can have that. Like government, if I choose. So you have options like this. So if you want to choose graphics, You can go ahead on graphics. You can get anything you want in this. So this is a government engineering college. I'll place this thing. I'll just drag and drop it. That is very simple. In the regards, you can even change the color of few of the elements in this. So you can change the blue to red, orange. So you can see that it's changing real time. Then this is also an element. As you can see, this is a 3D element. So if I type in 3D university, you will be able to get universities in 3D format, like a box or something like this. This is all 3D. You can use this already made thing, or you can make your own as well in this. Like if I place this as a university, upcoming university admission, that will be, I guess, smooth. So like I hope somebody has shared an email ID with me, so I'll be allowing them. Okay, so these are the people. I'll be allowing you all to also edit in real time, so you can also get an experience in real time. So you can just go ahead and click on share over here, provide the email ID that you want to share to, and actually wait, I can send the whole link to this whole group. You can come, and anybody who wants to edit can come and use this thing. Firstly, I need to remove this. So I'll allow you all to edit. Okay, so there are two options in it. You can share a link to use as a template, which means that you can market your templates. All right. So like if you make a custom built template, you can use and make money out of it through allowing others to use it as a template. I'll be allowing you to edit it. So I'm providing you the link over here. Kindly do take time. Yeah, 3D.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, you are still not audible. I think your microphone is muted.
So sorry. So sorry. I was just going ahead. So I've provided you a link. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on that link and come over this poster. You can straight away edit it the way you want. I would also suggest you to take these few things, like these are animations. You want any animation in this case, you can also add that. It looks little odd in this case. Let's flip it horizontally and place it over here. So this way your graphics cannot, get destroyed. So you can flip it any way you want. There are also many animations available here. You can see that as well. There are videos also. So if you click on graphics, there are 3D graphics available over here. You can click on anything. You can check anything if you want. Like go ahead and start trying. It will be good. Good experience for all. Then we have more option over here. This more provides you also integrations. Like if you want to embed a form in itself, you can embed a video, you can embed a QR code, you can embed Google Drive in it, you can embed anything. You can create a form out of this thing, this image. There are also a lot of different things. Like if you want to integrate Instagram photos in it, you can do that. You want to add a YouTube video to it, you can add that as well. So I'm connecting a YouTube video to it, and let's take this video. I've placed this video over here. For example, I'm just saying for example, or let's type university. If your university has made a certain video, that also you can make from here. So if I remove this and place a university tour, that will be good, right? So in place of having a university image, you can have a video of it like that. This will be online, okay? So you can go ahead and online do anything you want. So this way, this is an integrated YouTube platform. But I would suggest that since these are being hard printed, so it is better that we have images in it only. Kindly add anything you want. Go ahead and add anything. You can add anything over here. I will like I'm just like I'm typing, right? So university, I'll type university, and yeah, anything you can go ahead and type in and put it over here. There are campus and colleges. They refer you, they recommend you what all you can see in this case. So college students and all, college campuses, anything you want, you can just go ahead and paste it. I would rather paste this thing like this and change the color of it according to the requirements. According to the college logo, in fact, if the college logo consists of red, you can add red to it. You can add green to it as well. So this way the changes can be done. Okay, so like this, the logo is completely changed over here, the element. Then we have one more thing, which is the since this is a static poster, right? So we can also add photos. We can upload our own photos as well. We can upload media, anything you want. You can upload it over here by clicking on it. Either from Facebook, you can upload. Either from Google Drive, if you want to upload. Instagram, Dropbox, anything. If you click on device, you will be straightly directed to this. You can upload from here as well. It's like if I take this and paste it over here, since these, if you see, right, these are all on the in the field of graphic designing. Photography also comes in the field of graphic designing. A photographer must know how to edit an image in this case. So I'm just giving you an example. This is a general image. Okay, you can just even in fact drag and drop it in such a way that it becomes the background of the image, like this. It fits into it. It's an example, just an example. Uh, These are all the images that has been uploaded. Many like publishing house companies hire a lot of graphic designers, and they generally work on Canva. I've seen most of the companies working over it since we have provided interns into those companies only. We also were collaborated with a lot of people in this case. Daughter of Sushma Swaraj, Bansuri Swaraj, and many other political famous people ask for graphic designs over for their posters, for their political campaigns and all. Former CM of Assam also came in, and we prepared their posters accordingly. Then there are a lot of other things that you can create on Canva, especially text. If you want a custom built text style, you can do that as well. For example, if I choose a heading, I can add a heading to it. I can resize it the way I want. Kindly do feel free to add anything you want in this poster. This is just for testing purposes. You can do anything you want. Youth establishment, establishment, society, work, society work. This way you can make your own poster. You can edit it, the custom built text that is present. You can edit that as well. You can make that bold, like just a normal Word office. You can do a lot of things over here. You can make this bold. You can resize it the way you want, and this is how it will be done. Now, if you want to print it, right? Let me connect my laptop with a charger as well. So, if you want to print it, you can print this poster as well. You can order a bulk. You can make a bulk order out of it. What size you want, you can mention over here as well. Once you mention that, there will be option for how many copies you want out of it. So if you want 100 copies, nearly 100 flyers and all, you can mention over here as well. You can have any number of copies. Currently, there are 10 copies and continue. With the subtotal amount, you can just go ahead and order this rather than, making the use of your own printer. So if you want to any white areas around those edges, you can have them right now. There are options available for that. And once you continue over it, you can drag and drop anything you want. Like if there is anything going out of the box, then like Raj Kaushal is doing, he's doing good. So after that, let's get your poster print ready. So once you click on continue, it might take you to the shipping point where you can provide your contact details, street address, apartments, and all. Then you can continue. So you need to just pay 1,485 for 10 copies of this poster. This way it will be complete. Shipping is totally free and it will be delivered to you in 5 to 8 days. That way you can print it or you can download it free of cost. So you can click on download. You can have it as a PDF format, GIF, MP4, JPG, PNG, anything you want. Kindly ensure to make it a crop, marks and bleed because there are a certain point few spaces being left that will be covered up in this case. Then we have another option for sharing it directly to the pages. Like if you want to share it directly from here to Instagram, you can do that. You can in fact schedule it. Like if you want to schedule it to, when which day will it be that you want it to be published on Facebook or Instagram. That can be also done. Then we have this website. You can attach this as a code in your website. You can in fact launch it as a website itself if you want. Once you click on open website, this will be created as a website itself. Okay, so it's just a normal poster, right? So you can just upload it to for the people to view. This is the link that has been generated. I would like also to show you this thing that this poster has also other options like classic navigation and all. But since it's a normal image, you need to create more images to it so that you can convert it into website. I will also show you a different way to create a website over it. It will be very easy. Then you want to convert to Microsoft PowerPoint, you can make out a form from it, Google form or a type form where you can provide these details, right? Where you can enter anything, name, place, or all. For example, if I click on type form, there is a type form available over here. Since I have not created any type forms, you need to create a type form which will appear here. So which means that you need to go to a type form website to make a form. You can do anything you want in this case. You can in fact embed anything. You need to go over here first. Okay. So if you want to add anything to it, you can just go ahead straight on this three dot and you can view it accordingly. You can in fact present and record at the same time and also present it to the whole class. That way, this is actually used for presentations. Okay, so you can do that. I can provide you a sharing link. So template link is this, view link is this. So people who want to view it can use this link, and the template link, anyone with this link can use the template of it for their purpose. But in this case, they can also pay you. So this is a profitable way you can earn money from Canva. Then we have charts. If you want to include any graphs in it, any pie charts, you can include that. You need to enter data of it. So total items are 10, and this is like showing how many people accept the admission. So fill items. If I increase fill items to this much, which means that out of 10 people, 9 people like to visit GEC Banka College. You can also mention it over here. So this way, text and everything will be covered. You are next. You can type like this and drop it like this. So this way, this poster is being made. You can make a video out of it if you want for publishing purposes, not for having a hard copy paper. Like if you create a page too, right over here, somebody has created a page too. You can in fact duplicate this page. If you don't want to work hard on this, you can just duplicate this page and edit it in the second page. Once you do this, moving from first page to second page, there's an animation option as well. How you want to transit from first page to second page, like this, or and these all are operations available for you. You can click on it. This way it will be coming, and this place is also requiring an animation. You can use any animation you want. I would suggest neon. So this way neon is created. Then again a page 3 has been developed. So page 3 you can make any changes on it and make a whole video out of it. So now if I present it to you, can in fact add songs to it if you want. Okay, so like if I click over here and put audio in it, you can take any audio clip. So like this. So this audio clip has been added. That is currently loading. Once this, so this will play for 20 seconds, because this whole 3 pages will be 20 seconds. Now if I play this video will be played, and once I download this thing, it will be downloaded along with the song. So let's make it with the song. Okay, so you need to download it for seeing like listening it along with the song. This way, this poster has been made. If you want like to create a new fresh poster, you can start doing it from here onwards, or you can take a help from templates. So templates provide you already made, you know, college posters and university posters. Uh, so in this case, kindly try doing it. Yes, so this way it is being done, and this is for the uh, poster. Anything you want to ask in this case? Any doubts? You're free to even comment over here if you want anything to be made right now. Like if you want anything to be made right now, we can do that. I would rather suggest, once making a design over anything, you need to make few points, like what all you want to enter as a text. Okay, so if you want to enter something over an image, first write everything what you want to enter, then do designing over it. This will make it easier. So like if I type college, okay, the colleges have come. You can choose anything. Choose anything. I would rather suggest students to come across and try on their own. That will also help them. Click on any theme template you want and have it on your own page. You can in fact edit it right like real time. So this way you can have it from here as a Canva poster making. So like there are very less, like if I enter university, I might find a few more. So like yeah, anybody has an image of their own and who wants that image to be published like this? Anybody is having anything like this? Any image you want to enter? You can enter in a shape. Okay, so if you want to enter it in a shape like this, you can enter it accordingly. Let me show you a few features of it. So for example, if you want to enter this thing in a, so these are mock-ups. Okay, mock-ups are generally real life places where you can add the image directly. So like if I take just a frame, what I will be getting are these types of things. If I take this thing over here and add an image to it, so what I need to do is go on the upload section, place this image over here. That's it. The image is placed. You can do whatever you want to in this case. Okay, so this way, if you want to add the image of your own college, you can give me the logo of the college, or I either upload it over here in the upload media so that I can upload it over here. You can add pictures of your own students who are studying in your college and excelling. So this way things become lot better. GEC BANKA and BANKA, right? The Government Engineering College it is. You can in fact zoom in to check exactly what is being typed. So Government Engineering College. Then discussion on talks on admissions, right? If you want admission in a college, on admission process from July. Any requirements you want, like any real-time poster you want? I can make that as well. July 12, 2021. And change this as well. 2021. 25 in BANKA. All attendees must bring their IDs. If you want this thing to be highlighted, Control V to it. It will be providing a bold effect to it, the text itself. So currently there are few fonts that doesn't allow bold in this because of their nature. So this way you can make a whole thing out of it. You can add the pages to it. You can just go ahead and do anything you want over here. So this way posters are made, and you can download them as MP4 now, because it will become a video. But if you want to download an image, you can go ahead and check on this thing. You can unselect all, and if you want to just download this one, you can download this as an image. This will be downloaded from here onwards without any watermark. Students will be able to use this thing for free, so no need to provide any card details or all. You can do it for free. I would also like to show you the website, how to make a website on Canva and upload it accordingly. You can make your own resumes, you can make your own posters on website and accordingly work on it. It's like it's a website you want. You can have mobile first website, you can have visit or a website upshow campaign. Like if I take this, right? Give me a minute. So yeah, sorry for the delay. You can now start with the website making as well. So this in this case, there are many websites available. You can choose college in this college website. You don't need to pay for deploying it. It's all free of cost. So that way it will become easy. But remember, these are all the front end websites. Like if I choose this one, this is for a personal person. Okay, so person can view this website. If I click on just publish a website, if I type G anybody's name, like I type the name of my friend and write who he is and publish this as a website, right? So I have few options over here. Scrolling, classic navigation is better. So go ahead and click on classic navigation. And you will be able to create a whole website out of it. This is the portfolio. This is the service offered. Get in touch. All these things will be created as few pages of the website. Only just the front end aspect. So this is a part of non-coding, not coding, but making a website out of without coding. Actually, you can add videos to it. You can add anything you want, like clicking on audio or maybe uploads and uploading a video to it. If I have a video, okay, I can upload a video to it, and
Hi guys,
so this will be not. This is just an audio clip. Okay, so like if I upload this one, right, we can remove background of these things. Okay, so there is no need to worry about the backgrounds as well. This is a GIF, so if you want it to be covering this, right? So yeah, like this. Once this is done, you can again click on publish as a website and open this website. Once you have done that, this link is ready. You can in fact go ahead and view this website and provide the link to others to view it as well. I have made this admin like this. Okay, so somebody has made one. Let's review that. Okay, nice, really nice it is. This looks amazing actually. Okay, so there's an event that is coming. Final results will be declared on time. Okay, that's good. So see, like this, you can make your own posters. You can make your own website free for free and upload it for free without any charge. Then I would like Sav to take over and explain on how you can use UI UX in real time. That is also the part of graphic designing to make things better. But before that, I would like to also show a video of something called presentation. So if I click on templates and show you this thing, or maybe events coming up, right? So events, apply all 16 pages. Since Father's Day is coming, so all 16 pages have been uploaded. You can either present from here rather than downloading, or you can straight away download it as a PPT or something you want. So you can add songs to it. Okay, just drag and drop it. You can have the songs in it, and yeah, that way you can have this whole presentation. You can in fact present it the way you want. So there are few places like autoplay and once at your own place. Like if I click on present, so this way you don't need to click on anything. This way it's all animation. See, this is all the aspect of animation. Round one. So these are questionnaires. So this whole video will be coming up. Yeah. So any doubts? Any issues? I had a specific question about typography. Could you explain how to get better at matching fonts with posters? Yeah, sure. So in this case, uh, if you want any fonts to be made, you can go ahead on. If you want your own type of font, okay, so you can go ahead and click on brand kit. If you have any type of your own font, you can upload them over here. Many uploaded fonts are over here. Like these are our fonts. So yeah, like this bloodthirst regular. You can keep it from website and paste it over here. Bloodthirst regular. Okay. So this way it will be done. You can upload the fonts, logos also. Like these will be the default logos then. If you have a logo here and you've pasted it, everything will be shown in your design in respect to your logo. Everything will be covered with your logo then. So this is the brand kit you will be offered with. You will be offered also with a team where people can group up and work on real time things. Like this, I have 14 members with me who are working, and these people are working on different types of things. They are at different levels as well. Administrators are actually the highest level people, members are the lowest, and template designers are the middle of it. This way you can provide hierarchy on everything. Then you can create a group where everybody can work on a single design and can provide any updates they want on it over here. So if you want fonts, right? Like somebody asking for fonts on a specific platform, you can click on it. So see, they are all opening in new tabs, so that there is no need of slow response over a website. You want a font over it, you can just click on the text you want, go ahead and paste and change the font accordingly. Like if you want brand fonts, Montpole, you can have that. Since this is a website having a lot of uh, right designs, raw designs, so everything should be bold. Like they have bright colors and they have this all design. So you need to have a bold text over it. There are many other uploaded fonts of ours. You can upload a font from here as well of your own. See, Hindi. But this is Kruti Dev 010. This is something else. You can have any type of font. You can have Hindi or you can have Sanskrit. Uh, you can have point drops regular. This is another uploaded font. So anything you want, if the background has any graphics, right? So it has beautiful graphics over it, sketchy graphs with edges. You need to have something that is floating over it. Okay, so this way you can have an idea about what to choose and when to choose. So you can choose anything you want over the poster and you like it over here. I prefer over Bukhari script because it's somehow different. You can even provide spacing in between letters like this, or you want line spacing, you can provide the line spacing as well. But since there are nothing written below it, so it won't be affected. Like if I type J and provide line spacing in it, the J will go down and they will be separated like this. So this way it will be working. And this whole slide is made. I will share this thing. You can make your own resume like thing, upload images over here, delete it. So this is a frame. Okay, so you can go ahead, take elements, write frame in it. Since everything is pasted in a frame, you can write frame in it. Just it's the similar one that is placed over it. Write frame in it. And most of the photographers, what they do is that they have mock-ups. Mock-ups are places they can add photo to, like t-shirts, mobile apps, and all. So this way they work generally. And t-shirt mock-up, like one is called t-shirt mock-up. Here you can add an image of your own t-shirt. Uh, like put an image over the t-shirt that way. Then you can upload any image if you want. I'll have specific image photo that I've chosen. So if I take anybody, like an engineer, that's all. Who's an engineer working. So about me plus profile. I will provide you a link for accessing this thing and editing it on your own. That way it will be getting better for you all. We have quiz competition right now. Shall I? Oh yeah. Okay, so you have this link. You can go ahead and work over it. This way you can have a better idea. You can in fact make your own resumes and upload it right now on online. Go ahead and make your own resumes. Kindly do make sure that if one is working for 5 slides, others should duplicate them and work on the others. Like if I'm making this, I need to duplicate it. Okay. So like one is working first on the first 5, then the other one should be working on the next 5. And please make sure to apply for GitHub Student Pack. It will be a very beneficial thing for you all in terms of job placements, in terms of learning, in terms of deployment, development, everything. It's a good community to work with. So yeah, this way you can make your own website. You can add posters to your website. You can work on anything you want. So any doubts? Anything you need a clarification over? Please write down over here. I would like now South take over and provide after the question if anybody has. We can then move forward and ask South to come in and show us UI UX. That is the second step where you can make applications, custom made applications. So anybody is having any doubts, do mention your questions over in there in this thing. Any doubts, any questions? Any access you want right now, like anything to work on, you may ask over here. So it seems that there is no doubt at the moment. Okay.
Participants, you can ask the questions now.
Do we have app for this? Yeah, we have an app for this website on the Play Store. You can download this app and work over that app as well. I'll provide you the link of the app from the Android Play Store. Over here. This is the link I'm providing. Or we can access Canva for free. The Canva is already free. But for custom made designs and all, you need specific license. Okay, so that license is paid, but it will be totally free for you once you register for the this. Once you register for this on the GitHub Student Pack, you will get it for free. Everybody. Then there's also, yeah, I teach Photoshop as well, but Photoshop is like not free for the people. You need to pay for post 14 days. Like after 14 days, the trial ends and you need to pay. But for Canva, you have years together to work on. You can have links together and work over it. So if you like if you want to have access over Canva, that's from GitHub. Secondly, you can buy it as well. You can have a trial of it, but that is not advisable because you need to provide your card details in it. And for the certification purpose, I hope this is the link that has been provided. Okay, so this is the feedback link. Okay, so the certification will be provided accordingly as per the decision made. Any further doubts? We I guess have South as well, yeah, and he would like to explain you about UI UX. This is all the professional type. Okay, so if you are going to apply now from our side to any company, we'll ensure a paid internship for you as well in terms of great designing and development. So considering this, South, I would like you to take over and explain over UI UX now.
Sir, your name, please.
Thank you so much, sir. If any member has some doubt or query, you can ask. Sir, from all background, engineering, diploma.
Participants, please ask the question.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, is drawing skills needed for the animation related graphic designs, sir? Thank you, sir.
Participants, please fill the feedback form, and you can ask your doubts in the
And
feedback
I
form
have
as well.
another doubt, sir. How many time it will take for learning the basic graphics using these tools? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So whether these tools are enough for animation projects to do animation projects like steps, or we need any paid apps for that, or these free trial is enough for building such projects? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I don't think there's much questions. So thank you so much for this interesting and innovative session with us. All PARVAA team is very thankful to you for giving these innovative ideas of graphic designing. Now, can I take your permission to end this meeting? Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.